Welcome to week 3. This week, we're going to talk about epidemiology and infection control. Be sure to read the week 3 overview as well as all the materials under the learning materials section. So, for this week's discussion, we're going to talk about the purpose of epidemiology and why it's important to a community's health to report disease, which is especially relevant in the time that we have coronavirus going around. Um, you're going to talk about two types of studies used to describe and analyze studies and discuss the purpose of each type when conducting investigations of illness. And you'll also discuss the differences between communicable and non-communicable and acute and chronic diseases. So give concrete examples of each of those and also talk about the chain of infection or triangle model. You will also construct a chain of infection showing how diseases are transmitted and how the chains can be broken. Be sure to support your initial post with several valid sources of research, and each of your peer replies should have at least one source, reference source. So there's also more information here, and don't forget that you can use the rubric as a guide for the grade that you're going to get. So your week 3 assignment, this is going to talk about communicable diseases and the chain of infection. So you're going to, again, describe communicable and non-communicable diseases, and then you will select 3 communicable diseases and identify prevention, interventions, control, and eradication of disease. Your paper should start with an introduction and then get into the body and discussion of the paper, and then it should always wrap up with a conclusion. So your paper should be 2 to 3 pages, not including the cover page and the reference page. Your reference page should be separate. It shouldn't just continue on at the bottom of your discussion. And be sure to use at least 3 references, 4 if you want exemplary. So that's it for this week. If you have any questions at all, I'm always happy to answer them. And after this week, you're going to be halfway done. So have a great